Welcome back guys to the Minecraft Military Force. I'm CraftyFoxe, and today we're going to be building the Rockwell B-1B Lancer. So this is a supersonic variable sweep wing heavy bomber used by the US Air Force, nicknamed the Bone because B1 is B and then O-N-E, which is bone. This has a payload of 75 tons. It's actually the heaviest out of any US bomber, and this is one of the most important US Air Force planes that we haven't built yet. It's actually a commission by Trainmaster 3985, so thanks to him for making this video possible. And recently in February 2024, two B-1Bs were launched from Texas to strike Iranian-backed militias in Iraq and Syria, and so this has quite a far range. They did also have aerial refueling involved, so it's not like it went there totally by itself. Here on the runway we have a bunch of them, and since it's a variable sweep wing aircraft, they have two modes. So this one is with the wings out, looks like that, and if you want to go supersonic you would tuck the wings so it goes back like this. So it's a very different shape, and I just have a bunch of these in Osan Air Base. And let me show you what it looks like when it's flying in formation. So I got it next to the F-15 and F-16s. So you can fly this in the air, make a cool display. Here's how it looks like from the bottom view. So if we look here at the bottom, we got the landing gear with the doors open. I believe this is some kind of targeting device. And then there's a bunch of these bomb bays that would open up. And for this aircraft, an interesting thing I found is that the landing gear doors, they kind of close even though the landing gear is out. So there's doors over here. They would open up after to tuck in these wheels. But it does look cooler when the doors are closed. So there's the landing gears, you know, I guess like lots of wheels. And then here's the engine air intakes. I believe they are using fighter jet engines, so there's like 4 of them. So it does have kind of an iconic look to them. There's actually a Russian version of the B-1B called the Tu-160, but that's going to be the White Swan. It's going to be white colored, while these ones are gray. On the side, we also have some logo here, lots of these little antennas and these fins. There's the wing that sweeps out. And then here on the tail, it says EL, and some unit markings, etc. And here's how the aircraft looks like in the swept wings mode version of it. And here's a side-by-side view of it. And we're going to be building both models of them today. And yeah, let's get started. Alright, let's grab some materials. Polished blackstone, brick block, birch button, diorite wall, birch fence gate, birch fence, gray banner, sand terracotta, cobbled deep slate stairs. So first off, let's make the landing gear. Just a polished blackstone brick block. Birch button on the side. Diorite walls 3 blocks tall. In the front, birch fence gate. Underneath, birch fence. And then front, birch fence. In the back, gray banner. And on top, cyan terracotta. And we can make this 5 blocks tall. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add in 2 to the back of this. And 3 to the front. Then a cobbled deep slate stairs to the side of this, 3 blocks wide of cyan terracotta. Cobbled deep slate stairs, 2 of them, and with a corner of the back one. Then down here, we're going to add in cyan terracotta, make this go all the way to the back of this. And then we'll add in cobbled deep slate stairs to the side, upside down. And we're going to add in 4 of them behind. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the front, we're going to add in 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And add 2 cobbled deep slate slabs. And then in the back, we're going to add in another 2 slabs here, a slab here. Then we'll go back over here and add in cyan terracotta, very edge, and then 2 blocks tall. And then go over here, add in, fill that in, line that up, make this go all the way across. And then in this gap, there's going to be this light blue glazed terracotta, cyan terracotta all around, filling up all the way to the back of this. Then we'll add in daylight detector, 2 blocks long. Make them blue. And a spruce trapdoor right there. Another daylight detector, make it blue. And then spruce trapdoor. And underneath this parts, you know, just make it 2 blocks wide, say terracotta cross like that. And the snow layer, which is going to be in like that, I believe, is it? I guess it's like the same as the slab. Alright, next we'll go back here, add in blackstone stairs, blackstone slab, make a V shape, or make 2 on diagonal actually, since we're only building half, and we'll add in 3 at the bottom. Another cobble deep slate slab here, and then blackstone block here, polished diorite slab, cyan terracotta right there, cobbled deep slate stairs, gray concrete 2 on diagonal, and we're gonna add in deep slate brick slabs 2 on diagonal, and then 1 at the bottom, and then another gray concrete, then 2 more slabs, 2 blocks wide gray concrete, and then a slab here, 2 blocks wide gray glass panes like that, weighted pressure plate right there. Then we'll add in a birch button here and a lever facing the back. Then we'll go to the bottom, add in polished deep slate slab, and then cobble deep slate slab on either side of that. And then cyan terracotta right at the bottom all the way across. And 2 birch buttons here. And I guess we'll add in a birch trapdoor to the side of this, close that up. And then cyan terracotta all the way across to the back of this. And then cyan terracotta, make it 2 blocks wide. And we're going to make it 16 blocks long. So 16. Then add 1 to the tip of this and add in 2 gray concretes. Actually make an L shape like that. 2 birch buttons. Then cyan terracotta again, 2 blocks wide. I'm going to make it 19 blocks long. Like that. Add in 2 cobbled deep slate stairs upside down. Then 2 cobbled slabs. And then cyan terracotta along it. And then 2 spruce trapdoors here. And 4 cyan terracottas. And over here, there's going to be a lever, face that towards the back. Then 3 cobbled deep slate slabs. Oh, someone just put a link. Cyan terracotta right to the edge, and we'll make this, I guess, 5 blocks long. And then cobbled deep slate slab here. Cobbled deep slate stairs. And then 3 cyan terracottas that went to the side of this. Upside down stairs. And then a 2x2 of gray stained glass panes. Stone button right there. And then I guess another cyan terracotta on top of this. Make it 4 blocks long. Cobbled deep slate stairs. And we'll make that 5 blocks long. 3, 4, 5. The 2 cobble slabs here. And then 2 blocks tall cyan terracotta cross. And then cyan terracotta here. And we'll make this one go to the middle part. And add in a cobbled deep slate wall here. And then cyan terracotta on top of this. Make this go all the way to the back. And then we'll add in cobble deep slate slab here, 4 blocks long. Cyan terracotta underneath it. And we'll extend this part out by 3 past that slab. And then we'll add an additional 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 4 spruce trapdoors. And then cyan terracotta 2 blocks wide underneath. And I guess we'll just extend this so it matches up with that part. And we'll extend this 2 block wide till it meets up with the front. Just like that. Alright, next up over here, we'll add in 3 gray carpets. And then skip 3, add in the middle lever, face the back. And we'll add in 4 carpets over here. Alright, so go back over here, add in mangrove button, diagonally down. And I guess skip 2 stone buttons. Sand terracotta on top of this, make it 2 blocks wide like that. Cobble deep slate stairs upside down. And then add 3 blocks tall sand terracotta. Another cobbled deep slate wall. Then black concrete 5 blocks long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then a cobbled deep slate slab here, and then 3 sand terracottas. 2 stone buttons here. Oak button here in the back. And then a mangrove sign, just 2 blocks wide here. A mangrove button like that. Added light blue glazed terracotta here. And then cyan terracotta, make an L shape here. Make this go all the way to the back. And we'll add in cobbled deep slate slab. I guess right here. And I'm going to make this go all the way until just a gap between that and the stairs. Add 2 black stone buttons here. Cobble deep slate slab here. Make an L shape cyan terracotta, and then fill this all part in like that. Very nice. Alright, next up we're going to make these banners. So go inside the loom. Gray banner, black dye, left hand column. Put it back in, black dye, bottom row. And then gray dye border. That's how we make the L. Then for the E, we'll add in gray banner, black dye, middle, cross like that. Then gray dye. Make this go across the right column, put it back in. Then black dye, top row, and then bottom row, and then left hand column. And then gray border. So now we have our E and the L, and we'll just place that E and the L right here. Just like that. If you want, you can mix up for another letter combination. Then we'll go down here, and we're going to skip, I guess, 2 blocks, add a mangrove button here. And then we're going to skip 7 blocks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then add in mangrove button after that. Alright, next up, we'll go in the front. Stone button to the side of this. And then we'll add a spruce trapdoor here. Gray carpet like that. Then the inside part, we're going to add in cyan terracotta like that. Go back over here. Add a gray stained glass pane, make an L shape here. Light blue glass pane in front of this logo. And then an L shape of cobbled deep slate wall here, and then fill this part in gray glass panes. 2 blocks tall, cyan terracotta. And then we'll go to the back. And over here we'll add a 2x3 cobbled walls like that. Then gray stained glass pane. 2 blocks wide here. Another 2 blocks tall here. And then cyan terracotta 2 blocks tall here. Like a dark oak button there. And then I guess we'll make this part 7 blocks long. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like that. And then we'll drop down, add in 2 blocks wide here. And then 2 cobbled deep slate slabs like that. And then add in cyan terracottas all the way across like that. And we're gonna go over here. And we'll add in cyan terracotta to the side of this gray concrete. Cobble deep slate wall. 2 more cyan terracottas, and then polished blackstone bricks. Diorite wall. Birch fence gate, open it up towards the outside. And then we'll add in, say, terracotta across like that. And I think we'll go to the front part here and skip a block, and we'll add in cobbled deep slate slab, 3 blocks long. Then fill in the top row, 2 blocks tall, say terracotta like that. And cobbled deep slate slab here, and then 2 daylight detectors, make them blue. Spruce trapdoor. And we'll add a cobbled deep slate slab right in the front of that first trapdoor right there, and then we'll extend this to the front. And then we'll connect the cyan terracottas 2 blocks tall to the front. Just like that. And then for the bottom row, just cyan terracotta across. Just like that. Alright, next we'll add a blackstone button to above this logo. And a mangrove button down here. There's also this dark oak sign. Sort of diagonal from this. Carpet. Skip a block. And down below, we're gonna add in cobble deep slate slab 2 blocks long. Go diagonally, add another 2. Cyan terracotta on the bottom of this. Make it 2 blocks tall. Cyan terracotta 3 blocks long. And then cobbled deep slate slab 2 blocks long. And then cobbled deep slate stairs. That. Then the back of this, we'll line this up where we have the other slab, and then we'll just add in 1 after it like that. And then we'll connect it to the front. And then we'll add in cobbled slab, looks to be 4 blocks long. And then cyan terracotta, I guess 2 by 2. Another one at the back here, bottom. And then cobble deep slate slab here. And then 2 stairs and a slab. Alright, then over here we'll add a polished blackstone bricks, and we'll make it 4 blocks long. And then a diorite wall right here. And then a birch fence. And then a diorite wall. Then a birch fence gate, and we'll open it up towards the inside. It's gonna be a cobble, deep slate, stairs upside down. Right below it. And I guess some temporary blocks. I just need to place some blocks here, diagonal from this wall. They're just gonna be birch trapdoors, and just close them up. Then add birch trapdoors on the other side, close them up. Then birch trapdoor, I think it's underneath this wall here. Now I'm going to add the wheels. So the wheels are just going to be polished blackstone brick walls, spaced apart like that. And then upside down stairs. And then slabs on top. And the inside part's going to have stone buttons. And then we can add in cyan terracotta from the back part. And we'll make this go all the way to the front. Like that. Alright, next up we'll add a spruce trapdoor right here. Then cobble deep slate slab. 2 of them here. And 3 of them here. Cyan terracotta 2 blocks tall here, and then make this go to the front. Alright, and then the back part, I guess we'll line up 2 blocks over here, and then cobble deep slate slab. Then add a daylight detector, make it blue, spruce trapdoor, cyan terracotta, then 2 cobble deep slate slabs. And then cyan terracotta 2 blocks wide, another one down here, cobble deep slate slab. Then we'll make this part 5 blocks long, so 2, 3, 4, 5. Upside down cobbled stairs. And then cobbled deep slate slab, so it goes, I guess, over there. And apparently I messed this up a little bit. These trapdoors here, they're actually 1 block that way, so I'm going to move them. really quickly, just one block like that. Sorry about that. And anyways, we'll just extend these cobble deep slate slabs so it reaches this point here. And it's actually the front of the engine, so say you enter terracotta here, and then there's going to be this polished black stone brick wall here. Say enter terracotta on top. It can go across to the front. And we'll add in a row, say enter terracotta all the way across here. Just like that. And then the bottom part, we'll add in the other side of the wheels. They're the exact same thing as the other one, just the other way around. So stairs upside down like that. And walls, and then slabs, and then stone buttons like that. Then the back part, we'll add a polished black stone brick block here, and then 2 slabs. Dark oak fence gate, open that up. Then dark oak trapdoor to the side of it, close that up. Another one on top of this, and then a black carpet there. Alright, then next up we'll add a dark oak sign to the side of this. That is their US Air Force emblem. 2 cobble deep slate slabs here. Go up and add in 4 slabs here. Sand terracotta on top. It'll be 5 blocks long. 2, 3, 4, 5. Add at the bottom, make this go all the way across. And over here we'll add in sand terracotta, 2 blocks long. And then a cobbled deep slate wall here. Then cobbled deep slate slabs underneath. These slabs, I think they go all the way to the almost the edge where we have the other cobbled slab. That. And then over here we'll add a polished black stone brick block and wall here. Then sand terracotta, 2 blocks long, I guess. Then we'll add in 2 cobbled stairs here, corner this edge one. 2 polished black stone brick walls. And then polished black stone brick slab on top. I'm going to make this go all the way to the front. Just like that. And then the inside part, we'll add in sand terracotta cross. Just like that. Alright, then we're going to add in 2 more polished black stone brick walls. Sand terracotta underneath that. And then polished black stone just all the way across. That. Alright, and then the back part, we're trying to make another engine, so dark oak fence gates here. It's gonna look like the other side, kinda. And then polished black stone brick slab underneath, 2 blocks long. Polished black stone, and then black carpet, and then polished black stone brick wall, then a block here, and then I guess cobble deep slate slab, 2 blocks long like that. Then sand terracotta, make this line up with the other one, stairs and slab. And then in the front here, just polished black stone brick wall to the side of that. Sand terracotta behind it, and then cobbled slab underneath, all the way to the back like that. And then sand terracotta. And I'm gonna add in another 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guess it lines up with that. I want to the side of this. Spruce trap door here. Cobble, deep slate slabs to the back, and then cyan terracotta row. Like that, and then 2 cobbled deep slate walls like that. Gray glass pane like that. And then on top we'll add a dark oak trapdoor here. Cobbled deep slate slab like that. Alright, next up over here, cobbled slab. So you want to have like 2 blocks long that way, then diagonally another 2, then diagonally 1. Make this outer edge 5 blocks long, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then go back here. And we're going to add another one diagonal, so that's 3. And another one diagonal, 4, and then this one's going to be 2 like that. Fill this part in. So it should look like that. And then we'll add a spruce trap door here. And make this go stick 1 block out the back. And then make an indent here, so it's 4 blocks long. And it goes indent again here. This one's going to be 4 blocks long as well. The indent 3 blocks long. And we'll cover up the trapdoors with carpets, gray carpets like this. Cool. Alright, then we're going to copy everything we did on this side and then build the other half. Alright, so once we have both halves, it looks like this. Now we need to add in that targeting system. So go where the mangrove button is, skip a block, I guess, and then add in cobble deep slate walls, 2 blocks long like that. Then the stairs facing the back like that. It's only going to be on the side left. Alright, so that's pretty much it for our base model. Now we need to convert it whether you want it swept wings or spread out wings. So we're going to make the spread out wings first. Alright, so for the spread out wings version, let's first finish up this engine here. So we're going to add in cobble deep slate slab, make it 2 blocks wide, 4 blocks long. Then 2 daylight detectors, make them blue. 2 spruce trap doors here, like that. Go over here, add a cobbled deep slate slab. So it's gonna be, I guess, like that shape. Make a Z shape actually. And then we'll add diagonally down another slab like that. And then we'll go add a cobbled. That cobbled slab's gonna be one right here, then another one diagonal. Saying terracotta here. And then we'll add in cobbled deep slate slab, so make an L shape around this, I guess. And make this go all the way to the back 2 blocks wide. Alright, then on the underside of this, we're going to make, I guess, an L shape. That, slabs. And there's also going to be a sand terracotta here. And then we're going to go in the front part here. And we're going to add in sand terracotta here, make this go all the way across to the back, and actually make this, you know, add this layer here. And then we'll add a cobble deep slate slab here. Make it 2 blocks long. Side of it, we'll add it 3 blocks long here, then another 3 here. And then sand terracotta in the inside of this, all the way across. And then another one next to that, and then cobble deep slate slab down here. And then fill this in, sand terracotta. That. And we'll add in polished deep slate slab, 4 blocks long here. And then next to that, we're gonna add in 5. Then 2 blocks wide, polished deep slate slab. And we'll make that 12 blocks long. That, and actually I think we'll just punch in a hole here, so this will go indent like that. Then we'll go over here to, I guess, the third one. And we'll add 2 blocks wide cobble. 2 blocks wide sand terracotta. Then 4 blocks wide here. And we'll make this part go all the way across like that. And then this part, make an indent, add 2 blocks long this way, and then another indent here, 2 blocks like that. And then over here add one like that. Fill it in, sand terracotta. Now the outer portion, we'll add a cobble deep slate slab, 4 blocks long here. Like L shape here. And then in the back part, some cobbled slabs like that. And I just realized I made a mistake, but it's kind of minor. Once we get up to this point, apparently these slabs should be on the lower part of it. So my bad. But yeah, that's why I don't like tutorials, man. I always make mistakes like this, and then I'm not gonna restart filming the whole thing, so just move that slab down. Good thing we just caught it right now. Next up, make an indent here, 2 blocks long. Slabs, then another indent, 2 blocks long. I guess we'll just make this go all the way across to this part and fill it in. Like that. And then we'll go up to this point here. I'm gonna add 4 blocks long. Cobbled. This part's like 3 blocks long this way, and then I guess another 2 like that. Fill this in. And then we'll add another one so it sticks out like this. And this is gonna make an indent right here as well. 2 blocks long that way. And then another indent 2 blocks long, and then another indent 2 blocks long. Then this part's gonna be straight, cornered edge like that. Alright, so once we have this wing, we're just gonna copy and build the other side along with the engine. Alright, so once we have both sides, it looks like this. And then we'll go to this wing here. And go where we have this polish deep slate. And we're just gonna skip block, add in polished blackstone right there for slab. And that's how you make the wings out version of the B-1 Lancer. Now for the sweep wings, we're to go over here to the wing, add in cobbled deep slate slab, 2 blocks long here. Diagonally another 2, diagonally 1, and deep slate brick slab, make an L shape. Cobbled slab here, and then 2 cobbled slabs here. This is actually going to be the hinge, kind of pops out. Then in the back part, we'll add a polished deep slate slab, and we're going to make I guess a D shape. Like that, and then we'll add a Z shape going this way, slabs, and then we'll add in cyan terracotta, one here, go diagonally, add another one, diagonally another one. This outer edge, I guess 3 blocks long, and diagonally outwards, I guess another 3 like that, and then diagonally inwards. I think this one just goes all the way across to that side. Then next up, we'll line up with this cyan. Add a cobbled slab here, make this go all the way to the front. Right, we have this little slope we have going on there. The back part, we're gonna add in, I guess, 3 more slabs. And a spruce shaft door here. Skip a block here, 2 cobbled slabs, and then a spruce shaft door in the front. And then cyan terracotta. It's going to be the inside of this wing. All the way across to the back. Like if that, does that even make sense? Like, I don't think you can actually see that part, so I guess you can keep that part hollow, but for the rest of the area, like the perimeter, that should be filled in. Oh yeah, this part as well. Fill this part in, across, like that. Alright, and then I think we actually have to move this brick slab, so delete these brick slabs. Instead, we're going to move it slightly, I think, right over here. Punch in a hole, add the L shape again. Cobbled slab there. And we'll also punch in a hole here, cobbled slab there. And then this part actually goes down. So cobbled slab, make it 4 blocks long. Then 3 here. Another 3 here. And then we'll go back over here and add another cobbled slab here. Another one here. Another one here. Make it 2 blocks long actually. And then another one, so this one's gonna be 3 blocks long this way. Another 3 blocks long, and 2 blocks long, and 3 blocks long, and 2, then diagonally this way it's going to be 1, another one like that, and then we'll go diagonally this way, another one like that. It's actually gonna be 2 blocks long. Diagonally had one here, diagonally another one. Next to that's gonna be polished deep slate slab. And we'll make I guess an S shape or lightning bolt shape. And add in 3 here. Then we'll add in 1 to get out like that. And another one right here. So I think that's all connected right now. Okay, never mind. This one actually goes out like that. So that should be pretty much it for that. And then we'll just fill in the inside part with cobble deep slate slab. Alright, once we have that, we'll go over here, fill this part in, cyan terracotta. Very nice. And we'll copy the wings, and then we'll build it on the other side. Alright, so once we have the other side, it should be looking like this. Alright, and then we're going to go in the back part, and after the engine, just skip a block here, and then go to the outer edge. Punch in a hole just 1 block away from there, and add in polished blackstone slab for the logo. And of course, when you're building it, just make sure the E and the L, they switch positions so they spell the same. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. I am whispering because it is nighttime when I'm recording this. But yeah, thanks a lot to Trainmaster3985 for commissioning this build. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.